In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to void a bill in Xero step by step. If you've entered a bill by mistake or you no longer need to process a payment, voiding the bill is the cleanest way to correct it without affecting your records incorrectly. I'll walk you through the entire process so you can do it confidently in just a few clicks. And if this video helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Xero tutorials just like this. Now, let's jump right in. First, log in to your Xero account. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the top menu. You'll see several options like Business, Accounting, and Contacts. To void a bill, click on Business, and from the drop-down menu, select Purchases Overview. This is where you manage all of your bills and supplier expenses. On the Purchases screen, click on Bills to Pay. This will show you a list of all bills that have been entered into Xero but not yet paid. At the top of this page, you'll see different tabs such as Draft, Awaiting Approval, Awaiting Payment, and Paid. To void a bill that's ready for payment, click on the Awaiting Payment tab. Now you'll see a list of all bills currently waiting to be paid. Find the specific bill you want to void. You can either scroll through the list or use the search bar if you have many entries. Once you've located the correct bill, click on the blue supplier name or click directly on the bill number. This will open the full bill details. Take a moment to review the bill and make sure it's the correct one, because voiding a bill cannot be undone. When you're sure this is the right bill, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on the white Bill Options button. A drop-down menu will appear with several actions you can take. From that drop-down, select Void. Xero will then ask you to confirm your decision. Click OK to confirm that you want to void the bill. Once confirmed, the bill status will update to voided, and it will no longer appear in your awaiting payment list. And that's it. You've successfully voided a bill in Xero. Voiding is useful when a bill was entered incorrectly or is no longer valid, and it keeps your accounts accurate without deleting historical records improperly. Just remember that you can only void bills that haven't been paid yet. If a bill has already been paid, you'll need to handle it differently, such as removing the payment and then voiding it if appropriate. Keeping your accounts clean and organized is essential for accurate reporting and smooth bookkeeping. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Xero how-to guides, accounting tips, and step-by-step walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.